What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing Perrin Strut Tower Bar on my L5 STI. I'm super stoked about this, so let's get started. Real quick, guys, a couple tools you will need is a 13 mil socket wrench. If you're running stock suspension, then it might be different for you. I'm running coilovers, so I need a 13 mil socket wrench. The other thing you will need is an Allen key. If Perrin did not provide you with one for the Strut Tower Bar. Other than that, you're set to go. So let's get into the installation.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets. Yeah, high school was hard. You'd fight with my mom. I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars. Now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. At 21. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. I'm just a kid. Oh, I'm doing things I shouldn't know from. Yeah, doing things I shouldn't do. At 21. Yeah, I play you my favorite songs on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh, oh, and you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep. I smell the smoke in the air, but that was normal for me. I didn't know. I didn't know. But now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, feels like I'm 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. Oh, at 21. Yeah, I'm 21.
Well, that is all I got for you guys today in this video. If you guys did like it, make sure to give us a like. And if you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I also will leave a link to this Perrin Strut Tower Bar down in the description below. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.